My name's Adam Reiswijk. I am fourth generation on our farm. My great-grandfather immigrated from overseas and started farming here, and in a couple years we're going to be a 100-year farm, and that's something we're very excited about. One of the tricky things with spraying is our timing, not only with weather events, wind and rain, but the timing of the weed emergence and how much pressure there is. Currently, with our post-emerge pass, we're spraying 100% of our acres, whether there's weeds there or not. So SmartScript involved this Intera drone coming out and flying over our fields and basically just mapping all the weeds that it sees to a very high level of accuracy. Not only identify the weeds, but locate where they are, how dense they are, and what percentage of the field that we need to apply our herbicide on. And they'll be able to create that prescription that we can load into the sprayer, tell us how much herbicide we need, how much water we need to load, so we can make it field specific so we don't have extra chemical in the tank, and then go out and only spray right where we need to. The more we can target exactly where we need the chemical or the fertilizer and how much we need, just creates efficiency, not only in our time, but in our cost of inputs. And I think it's better for our crop and it's better for the ground. We've seen where we do spray even a herbicide that our varieties are tolerant to. When that plant has to metabolize that herbicide, it still sets it back. We're looking forward to being able to introduce less stress to our crop. Utilizing SmartScript is going to be very exciting. We're going to be able to be very precise on being able to spray when we need it, where we need it, and be very efficient with our time and our inputs. What I want to instill in my children as they come up on the farm is that we're always trying to do the best we can and take care of what we've been given. So being able to take care of that, preserve that, not pollute that, and just do a better job overall makes me very excited that I can offer that to my children and hopefully their kids, and we just continue the legacy of our farm.